Hey, hello everyone, and welcome back to part 2 of my ride along Little India neighborhood. I ended last video on Serangur Road, and here I am back on the same road but a little ahead. I will be taking a right turn into Syed Alvi Road, which I regard it as the heart of Little India. As I had mentioned in my last video, today is a weekend. I am riding on a weekend in Little India, so you can see people all around walking everywhere on the streets. You need to be really careful if you are driving or riding in Little India, particularly on a weekend. Okay, so here we are entering Syed Alvi Road. On the left, what you see coming up is Mustafa Center. It just starts a little ahead. Okay, you can see the board over there on the left side, the Mustafa Center. It spans all across Syed Alvi Road. Now I told you, it's a weekend here in Singapore, and you see the amount of people over here walking on the streets. There's a whole lot of commotion over here. You just see how people just come across you, right? And there are certain streets which are completely blocked for vehicular traffic, so it's only pedestrians going over there. It's all the more crowded in those roads. So on the left side, Mustafa Center continues, and on the right, you see a whole lot of restaurants again over here, right from Anjapar to Copper Chimney, a lot of stuffs. And this is the Hindi school on the right. We just passed that, and Mustafa Center continues on the left. On the right, coming up is Anand Bhavan Vegetarian Restaurant, and I take a left from here on Vardun Road. So Mustafa Center continues. Still ahead is Syed Alvi Road. We will come back on that road again, but I've taken a left and come on onto Vardun Road, and you see Mustafa Center, people crossing all over again here and there, and we just go ahead straight on this road, and at the next intersection I'll take a right turn and turn into Kitchener Road. This is Mustafa Jewellery. This used to be Mustafa Travels pre-COVID. After COVID, they closed off the travels and they converted into jewellery shop. So this is Mustafa Jewellery, and I'm going straight over here, and this intersection I'll be taking a right onto Kitchener Road. Okay, now I'll go back again to Syed Alvi Road, and I'll continue straight instead of taking left to Vardhan Road. I'm back here again on Syed Alvi Road, fast forwarding the whole video so that we don't have to spend time again. But again, you see the amount of commotion and traffic that needs to be negotiated. So I'm continuing straight on Syed Alvi Road after the intersection of Vardhan Road, and this is where we come on to. Mustafa Center continues on the left side. You have Murugan Italy on the right, and this road continues straight all the way, and at the end of this road I take a right onto Jalan Besar. So I'm heading over there. So this is the right I am taking, and I am on Jalan Besar. From Jalan Besar, you can again turn into quite a lot of smaller Little India lanes. So I am now getting into Desker Road. So you can see all the shop houses on both the sides, and all the lorries standing on both the sides. A lot of trading shops over here, restaurants, grocery shops, anything and everything is available over here. And all the parking lots, if you see on both the sides, are completely occupied by lorries who are transporting a lot of stuff here and there. So I'm still continuing straight over here on Desker Road. Continuing on Desker Road, I'll take a right over here onto Kampung Kapor Road. Kampung is village, so Kapor village road kind of a thing. Kampung Kapor Road, and I'll just go straight from here. And if I go straight, what you can see ahead is I'll be back at the intersection of Syed Alvi Road and Vardhan Road, which is the Mustafa Center one part and the other part joining with the overhead footover bridge over there. So I'm again back over here. So I was riding in a few more by lanes and finally gotten into Vas Swami Road. Ahead you can see the neighborhood police center over there. I'll be going straight onto Vas Swami Road. So this road again going straight will again take me to Serangun Road. So I'm just going straight. Again, you can see a whole lot of shop houses on both the sides. lot of trading and business activity happening over here. Going straight, again continuing on Vas Swami Road, and ahead I'm touching Serangoon Road, just opposite Veeramakaliamman Temple. You see over there straight ahead is Veeramakaliamman Temple, and I take a right over here. I'm back on Serangoon Road. From Serangoon Road, I came back again onto Jalan Besar, and I'm fast tracking this video, but you can see a lot of stuff around here, including the Jalan Besar MRT over there. And I'll be heading into one more bylane from here. Just going ahead a little bit, taking a right over here onto Dunlop Street. Now this is how typically it is in India as well. You stop your vehicle anywhere, do your business, right? That's how it is. So navigate this traffic again and heading straight onto Dunlop Street. So this is Dunlop Street. I'll try to fast forward the video here again. Just to clarify, the reason why I'm not deleting the videos but fast forwarding is to give you a flavor of how the streets are in Little India. Still continuing on this street over here, and then I've gotten into Clive Street. Continuing straight on Clive Street here, and I'll be going ahead onto Upper Weld Road and continuing straight on Upper Weld Road, heading into back to Kapor Road. So that's the Kapor Road. Fast forward over here again, still going straight, crossing the intersection and coming back onto Hindu Road. Now this is Hindu Road. Coming up ahead, just look at the wall mural over there. That's the superstar of Indian film industry, Rajnikant. And this road takes you straight again onto Serangoon Road, which is the main road for Little India. I'm heading back onto Serangoon Road now. That ends my ride around Little India area. I hope I've been able to show you the flavor of India here in Little India in Singapore. And I hope you like these videos. If you like the videos, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. I look forward to more such videos. Thank you so much and ride safe.